Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the subtraction of proper fractions. When we are going to subtract the proper fractions, the very first condition is the fractions having the same denominators. When fractions with equal denominators are subtracted, the denominator of the answer is the same as the denominators of the fractions that are subtracted. The numerator of the answer is the difference of the numerators of the fractions that are subtracted. For an example, if we are going to take two fractions, I am going to take one fraction 5/9 and again I am going to take 3/9. Here I am going to subtract 3/9 from 5/9. As you can see here, the denominators are equal. The difference is only the numerator. If we are going to subtract that kind of fractions where the denominators are equal, in the final answer, the denominator will not change. Therefore, in the final answer, the denominator is 9. In here, the numerators 5 and 3. As the denominators are equal, I am just going to subtract 3 from 5. So, if I am going to subtract 3 from 5, the answer is 2. If so, we are going to get the answer like this. The answer is 2/9. The denominator is the same. The numerators are the differences of the given numerators. Right? So in here, 3 has been deducted from 5. The answer is 2. As the denominator is equal, the same denominator is there. Let's take another example. If I am going to take two different fractions like this. One fraction is 4/5 and the other fraction is 1/5. I am going to subtract 1/5 from 4/5. As you can see here, the denominator is 5. The denominators are equal. The difference is only the numerator. So what I have to do is, I have to take the difference of the numerators. Therefore, I am going to subtract 1 from 4. If I am going to subtract that, if I am going to deduct 1 from 4, the answer is 3. As you can see here, the denominators are equal in the given question. Therefore, the denominator is same in the answer. As the numerators are the only difference, I have taken the difference in between those two numerators and that is the final answer. That is how we are going to subtract the fractions, the proper fractions with equal denominator. Let's consider the next condition. Subtraction of fractions having different denominators. When fractions with unequal denominators are being subtracted, the given fractions are first converted into equivalent fractions with equal denominators and then subtracted. Therefore, if the denominators are different, first we have to convert them into equivalent fractions with equal denominators, and then only we can do the subtraction. Let's go to an example. Here I have taken two fractions, 1/3 and 1/4. As you can see here, the denominators are different. Here it is 3 and in the other fraction it is 4. As the denominators are different, what we have to do first is we have to calculate the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So, what I have to do is I have to convert these denominators 3 and 4 into 12. If I am going to take the fraction 1 over 3, the 3 is the denominator, I can convert it into 12 by the function of multiplication. I have to multiply 3 by 4. If so, I have to multiply the numerator by the same number as well. Right? That is what it is called as equivalent fractions. So the answer is 3 times 4, 12. 1 times 4, 4. 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1 over 3. If I am going to take the other fraction, 1 over 4, I can convert 4 into 12 with the function of multiplication, and I have to multiply it by 3. If I am going to multiply the denominator by 3, I have to multiply the numerator by the same number, as we are going to find the equivalent fractions. If I am going to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 3, what is the answer then? 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 3, 3. So the answer is 3 times 12. Then again, if we are going to go to the question, 1 over 3, it is equal to 4 over 12. Then 1 over 4 is equal to 3 over 12. So we have taken the equivalent fractions. Now, as you can see here, the denominators are equal. The denominator is 12. So, as the denominators are equal, what we have to do? We have to get the difference of the numerators. What is the difference in between 3 and 4? It is 1. Therefore, I am going to subtract 3 from 4 and the denominator is the same. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1 and the same denominator is 12. So the final answer is 1 over 12. This is how we are going to subtract the fractions with different denominators. We will discuss more about the subtraction of mixed numbers in the next video. Therefore, subscribe to EduMart channel.